Hello kids, let's learn some colors and alphabets. Draw and color alphabets. Orange color, black color, green color, dark green color, blue color, light blue color, yellow color, cyan color, red color, pink color. Let's start. A for aeroplane. A. A for aeroplane. B. B for broccoli. C. C for car. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for horse. I. Ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N for nuts. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Let's learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Hello guys, let's learn some colors and shapes. Green color, blue color, pink color, orange color, yellow color, red color. First, draw circle. Circle. Green color, circle. Square. Square. Red color, triangle shape. Blue color, pentagon shape. Pentagon shape. Orange color, hexagon shape. pink color, octagon shape, let's learn circle, square, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye kids.